Hi my people, I'm still back again. I don't still carry another strong matter. My people, okay, we will go talk about this matter. We will talk as the matter go be, how the matter go take. Let's settle, okay? Let's go and settle the matter as it be, as it dey hot. So, okay, let's go. Okay, my people, we will talk the issue now. We will settle the issue as it go be. Ma naka give una. Okay. This man, he get wife, he get pikin. He don't marry this woman, so he constantly go outside, go the chop outside new rabbit hole. He go the chop new rabbit hole for outside, so they chop and they chop and they chop and they chop and when they house, when he put for house, he know they go the same again. He just abandon her and he know they not divorce, so he just leave the lady like that. They go the chop a new rabbit hole for outside. Okay, now he come promise that one when they outside say he go marry her. Okay, the one that one when they outside come say okay, no problem, no shaking, problem no dey. Anything when he talk, say he do. Okay, now they come prepare the marriage, or now they come go church. Everybody is sit down, so that they talk as it go be. As pastor now come they wed them. As they give her mic, pastor come they ask her, you don't marry? You say no. You don't get pikin? You say no. You say no, everything now. No. As the one puts ring now the lady come bust come out for inside hall. For inside the church, we come to say, pastor, no, pastor, hold on, now my husband, hold on. Now pastor come pause, he come maintain himself. Now the lady come they talk, oh, may not wed them, oh, say this man, abandon them. Say, they take care of them, they ask of them. He just they go they chop a new rabbit hole. Say the wedding no hold. And two, he never divorce her. Now that pastor for shock, oh, the thing touchlize the pastor. He choke am well. Now pastor can say, as I dey ask this man whether he don't marry, whether he don't born, he dey reply me say no. Why this kind thing can't happen like this now? Why it can't occur? So this man, you are a liar. Now so church can scatter, party everywhere scatter. So in the case on I never see am, I know say some people don't see am. Ma put the video, more na for watch am. I don't watch and where the lady for say pastor no, he don't agree. Say the marriage no hold. So I don't watch. Why some men that they behave like this? Waiting there outside. and wetin dey inside na the same thing. Different no dey. Different no dey. Na the same okra. Abi egusi still dey. My people, if egusi still dey, may I leave am for my section, my comment section below there. Okay, guys? Me, I no understand. Okay? May I leave you guys for you, okay? Bye-bye.